Welcome entrepreneurs and Six Sigma learners. When I say entrepreneurs, I mean all entrepreneurs, whether you are in a small scale industry, medium scale industry or large scale industry. Here I am to share a very good, powerful technique which can improve the performance of your business at a very high scale. But before I share this with you, I wanted to ask you some questions. Like, when have you ever feel that you have made an investment and you are not getting return of that investment? Do you feel that you have made a lot of time and resources invested in doing the improvement projects? You have done the improvements also, but the ultimate effect on your business is not reflecting. Do you have a risk of losing your customer base, or do you want to increase your customer base but you are not able to decide where to start? Or do you want to start a new process or to implement a new business model in the industry but you are not very sure whether it will work or not? Do you feel that the output of your business or the output of your process is more dependent on the people rather than on the process? Do you feel that profit margin, what you are expecting from your investment, is not good enough? Or you see the growth, what you are expecting when you started your business, is not as per your expectation? Or do you have irritation while doing daily activities because you deal with n number of problems which are repeatedly coming to you and you are not able to find a solution for that? Or do you want to develop your business or your brand as a benchmark, not only as a brand name in the industry, and you want people to talk about your organization also by creating a culture where everyone want to be a part of that team? Then you must involve the Six Sigma methodology in your business. Here I will brief you about the Six Sigma methodology, what it is all about. But before starting that, I will divide that Six Sigma methodology, this we also call is a Lean Six Sigma methodology, in 3 steps. One is DMAC. DMAC is an approach by which we apply the learnings and tools, techniques of Lean and Six Sigma. Second one is Lean, and third one is Six Sigma. To understand the difference between DMAC and a regular problem solving technique, we will take an example of a vehicle. A vehicle, suppose you have a brake fault in your vehicle and you go to the mechanic. The mechanic who is doing a traditional way of solving a problem, he checks that there is a problem, that the bolt and nut of the brake wire is disengaged, and he fixed a new set of nut and bolt and give the vehicle back to you. Now go by DMAC. The mechanic who knows the DMAC, he will check the cause of the disengagement. He will more analyze that whether it is due to vibration, whether it is due to no locking facility, and he will then improve the present state. He will provide a locking nut or a locking circlip or locking key in your nut and bolt of the brake wire, and then he will ensure the control also. He will tell you that you should check it on a repeatedly basis based on the defined frequency, because he wanted to ensure the replacement of that unit before failure. So this is the very basic example how a DMAC approach and a normal problem solving approach differs. In this case, if you are a customer, I am damn sure that you will go for the second option, whether it ensures that you will not again have a brake failure, and if you will have it, if you are likely to have it, you will get it addressed before it happens. Now I will love to talk about the lean aspect. The lean is a tool technique which gives you an exposure, which expose all the scope of improvement. It actually optimizes the utilization of resources available with you and maximize the output. The lean concept actually starts from the supplier and end with the customer. So it covers the complete supply chain, and it creates a win-win situation. Let us talk about the win-win situation. It is a very common statement that you cannot be happy when your neighbor is not happy. So the same thing we can apply in the industry also. Our neighbor is our supplier and our customer. So if any one of them is not happy, we cannot say that we are happy, because if supplier is not happy means he had some problems, and one day those problems will reflect in your product. And if the customer is not happy, you will not even be able to sell the product. So by using the lean techniques, we expose where are all the problems. If we not use the lean technique, we will see the only visible problems which are visible to us, and we will focus on that only. But what are the hidden problems? To expose those problems, we use the lean techniques. The tools used in the lean technique, the very powerful tool VSM, value stream mapping. It starts from the supplier and end at the customer, and it maps the complete supply chain of your process. Then the business process re-engineering, then business process redesign, standard work combination table, some of the major tools what we use in lean. And the metrics which you can improve using the lean is the inventory. Inventory is something like the money you have in your account. You wanted to spend it to improve your lifestyle or to increase your business, but you can't even able to spend it because it is blocked due to some reason. Similarly, the profit margin, we can increase our profit margin by proper utilization of all the resources we have, the plant throughput, on-time delivery and productivity. So till now we have discussed the two parts. One is DMAC approach, one is lean. Now we will talk about Six Sigma. Now the question is, why Six Sigma only? Because there are n number of other problem solving tools, other problem solving techniques. So Six Sigma, because it is a well proven method. It is a statistically proven method. So anytime you can go back to the defined situation, you can reprove the things that yes, what I am claiming, what improvement I am claiming will definitely give us the results. The average improvement, what you expect from the Six Sigma. On an average, in any metrics, if you implement a Six Sigma methodology, you will get an improvement of up to 50%, because you implement this starting from the defining the problem. If you correctly define the problem, many times in a project or in improvement methodology, we even cannot define the problem correctly, and it ends up with a mess, or at the end of the project we find that, oh, we have selected a wrong critical characteristic. So this is taken care of in Six Sigma methodology, and it is systematic data based improvement process. So it talks about control also. We have invested $N million in an improvement project. It worked well for 6 months because of some factors, because of some management focus, because of our intensity towards that focus. But it will last after 6 months, and all the N million will be affecting zero improvement in our process after 6 months. So the sustenance is a very much important part of it, and by doing sustenance, by achieving sustenance of the project, we can actually claim that yes, it is an improvement. Now, why I am telling this is why you should believe me. because I have an experience of it. I have experienced a lot of improvement in the way I was doing it before using Six Sigma and the way I am doing it nowadays. Because earlier, I will tell you the 4 or 5 situations what I was doing before knowing the Six Sigma methodology. I was usually not even able to pick the actual cause. Then suppose I wanted to improve my efficiency by 50%, but where to attack? That is the most important thing. That clue I got from the lean techniques. Then before that, before learning Six Sigma, we were talking about whatever the subject expert says. If subject expert says yes to anything, then it is yes. If he says no to anything, then it means it will definitely not work. But but after doing Six Sigma, rather than going with the only subject experts comments, we can validate it also by doing it on our own, by using the data, by using the DOE, by using the analysis of other analysis using other tools also. And previously, without using Six Sigma, I was going for the random solutions. We have some clue about the problem solutions. We have selected randomly 4 or 5 based on our subject knowledge, and then we implement it. And if your luck is good, then it will work. If your luck is not good, then it may not work. But after knowing Six Sigma, I am damn sure about selecting the actual cause and selecting the actual solution to a problem, because it has been proven statistically. It has been proven by using a data. Now, another problem before using Six Sigma was I have implemented a solution based on my wisdom, based on my experience, based on the viewpoint of other team members also, but there is no improvement. Why? Because the same thing what I told earlier, because of the selection of wrong solution. Now, the another thing what I was feeling before using Six Sigma, that I have improved. I have improved my metrics from X to Y, but after some time, or even within a period of time also, it is not improved significantly. It has not improved significantly because of some other factors. So something what I was missing, because I was not able to see the complete picture of the process. I was not able to see the entire value stream, the entire supplier to customer process before using Six Sigma, and which causes the poor sustenance of the projects. Now, one more question one friend of mine asked to me, ki, why you are promoting Six Sigma? Okay, you know very well about Six Sigma. You have implemented all these things. You have lot of learnings also, and you can grow your career also in this. Then why you wanted to share this with us? The reason behind this, that what I feel, the actual enjoyment of life is with everyone, not alone. At a point of time, if you feel you are at the top, but you feel nobody around you, then this is not fun. So to have actual fun of life, I wanted to see everyone to improve in their field, everyone to achieve something great in their life, and this is why I am sharing this all my colleagues, all the entrepreneurs who are trying hard to get developed, who are trying to develop their business at a lot, and who are trying to make a benchmark in their field, but they are not able to get it because they actually don't know the real technique. So this is why I am here to share this Lean Six Sigma methodology with you. Thank you.